Hello, Algebra 1A students. This is the video of the polynomial application practice. So I'm going to do 2 example problems and then you can get started on the practice for this. Okay, so a rectangular shaped house that's on a rectangular lot. So looking at this big piece is my lot and this is my house. Okay, the house is 58 by 28 feet and the lot is x plus 2 feet in width and 2x plus 3 feet in length. Okay. If the lot is covered with grass, write a polynomial that shows how many square feet of grass there is to cut. So we're looking for the grass, right? And the grass doesn't cover the whole lot. It doesn't cover the part that the house is on. So you might think this is kind of a weird example. Who thinks of a lot as 2x plus 3 and x plus 2? But it's actually something that you may see when you're looking at surveying because there are certain rules about how close your house can be to the edge of the lot. And so this is kind of like if you don't know how long that is, or if you don't know other measurements, that x can really help you. So let's see if we can figure out the area, right, because it's talking about square feet of this grass. So first of all, we're dealing with rectangles. So area of rectangles is length times width. So let's go ahead and find the area of the lot. That might give us a good idea of how much grass we have. So the lot is x plus 2 wide and 2x plus 3 long. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use the box method to multiply these two. So that gives me 2x squared, 4x, 3x, and 6. So altogether, that's 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. And that is the area of my lot. And we can think of that as feet squared. Okay, so we have the area of the lot. We want to know the area of the house. So that would be 58 times 28. Which gives me 1,624 square feet. Okay, so that is the that's the area of the house. So the area of the lot and the area of the house, the stuff in between is the grass. So to be able to find the grass, I want to take the area of the lot and subtract the area of the house. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this right over here. I'm going to line them up vertically. So I have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. And then I just have this 1,624, which is a like term to this 6. I know it seems crazy that that's a like term because one is really small and one is really big, but this doesn't have a variable. So then I do that subtraction, 2x squared plus 7x, 6 minus 1624 is 1,618. So the area of the grass is 2x squared plus 7x minus 1,618 feet squared. Nice. All right, let's check out a little more challenging of a problem here. Let's check out this volume one. So a storage box has a length of 2x plus 3 feet, a width of 2x plus 1 feet, and a height of x feet. Okay, and you can see our little thing there. And it says, write an expression that shows the volume of the storage box. Make sure the expression is given in simplest form. So volume is length times width times height. So we're going to have to multiply all 3 of these. Okay, and it actually really does not matter what order we do it in because remember multiplication is commutative. So I'm going to take those two first. So x times 2x plus 3. So I'm going to start with a box. This one only has to be a 1 by 2 because x is only one term. So that gives me 2x squared plus 3x. So then that final one there is 2x squared plus 3x. Then we need to multiply it by our length here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a box for this. 2x squared plus 3x. On this side, 2x plus 1. So let's go ahead and multiply each piece. So that would be 4x cubed, because remember, semi-1. And 6x squared, 2x squared, and 3x. So that gives me 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 2x squared plus 3x. Which, if I combine my like terms, gives me 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 3x. Awesome. You've seen the 2 examples. If you have more questions, please feel free to ask, and you may begin your application practice.